Okay, let's look at importing audio files into our Pro Tools session by using the workspace window. You're familiar with the workspace window. We used it when we found and opened a Pro Tools session. So again, that shortcut is Option I, and also you can find it under the window drop-down menu, New Workspace Default. Option I is the shortcut. Here you can choose where you would like to search. So I'm just going to search all of my available hard drives. And then you remember there was a simple search tool that gave you just a dialog box to type in, and it's going to search based on the text material. Or you could search using the advanced search tool, which gives you a lot more options. Let's go ahead and use that one. And let's assume that we're going to search for a specific kind of file. So we select kind. Kind is video. So we're looking for any video files. You can see it's found all of the video files that are available on all of these various hard drives that I have. So 5, 6 different hard drives. If we want to import one of these into our session, we can certainly do it by just grabbing the file and dropping it. As soon as we do that, it's going to bring a dialog box forward and ask us what we would like to do. So we'll say, yeah, we're just going to add a new video track and add this file to the session. And there you have it. Now we've got a video file inside our Pro Tools session. Let me go ahead and delete that. We could do the same thing with audio files. So kind is audio. We could use this to search for a specific audio file, maybe even a loop or something like that. So kind is audio. Oh, I need to deselect video, so we're not searching for that as well. And then maybe any audio file that has the term bass in it. So I click return, and now you can see it's given me every audio file on all of those drives, and each one of them has the word bass in the name of the audio file. Now we can easily drop this into our session as well. If we click it and drag it over here and just drop it in, you can see it's going to add this Moog bass to my session. You know from prior videos that if this audio file is the same sample rate, then it will not copy it into our audio files folder. And I like to always have everything copied into my audio files folder. So what I'm going to do is hold down Option and click and drag. And when I do that, it forces a copy of this particular piece of audio to be placed in my audio files folder. So Option allows you to force a copy to be placed in your audio files folder. If you want to create a new track at the same time that you are dragging your loop in, you can hold down the Shift key. So Shift and then click and drag, and you'll notice now it's created 2 new audio tracks and placed those clips on those tracks. You can also use a batch import feature in Pro Tools. Let's say I want to drag these 5 audio loops into a Pro Tools session. You can click on them and go over here to the Pro Tools icon and just drop them. And that'll place them in the clips list as well. Earlier I imported a video track. Let's go ahead and do that and talk a little bit more in depth about video tracks inside of Pro Tools. So I'm going to open up the workspace window, Option I, and I'm going to do an advanced search for kind is video. Any video track, I'll get rid of that. And here's a video I made with a problem I had with something else. So I'm going to take that video and I'm going to drag it over here. And you can see it gives you a variety of options. You can place it on a new track. You can place it in the clips list. You can import the audio and have the audio that's on the video on a separate audio track as well. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to say the location will be at the session start. And it's asking me where I want to place the audio. I want to place the audio in the audio files folder. So I'll click open. And now we're done. Now we can see our video here. We can close this if we want. We can see it. Up here is the audio. I wanted to show you the problem I'm having when I try to add a device. you can also see the video itself by going up to Window and down to Video. Option 9 is the shortcut. You can take this, you can have it be the actual size, you can have it be half size, you can change the size, etc. Full quality, draft, best performance. Okay, I'll just say full screen. And now you can see the video playing inside of Pro Tools. Okay, we'll close this for now. Pro Tools only lets you have one video active at a time, so that's something you should be aware of as well.